August, it was reported that Pixel 8 will get more Android updates, and new leaks pegs the number of years at 7. The Pixel and Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will get 7 years of OS updates and feature drop updates. This according to a spec sheet shared by 91 Mobile. Google today advertises 5 years of Pixel updates, which currently translates to 3 years of Android updates, followed by 24 months of security patches. A literal reading of the leaked Pixel 8 specs indicate there'll be 3 updates up to 7 years. The possibility will be a combination of the two. Say for the original Pixel phones powered by Qualcomm SoC had 3 years of update. With the Pixel 6 and Tensor chipset, Google added 2 years of security patches. This is a reasonable policy, but it is embarrassing that Pixel 8 doesn't have the best update policy among Androids OEM. This is looking to be changed. It might be only 5 years of OS updates and 7 years of security patch. Even if that comes through, it will beat Samsung, who's the current king with 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, and maybe force them to give it from the S23 series 5 years of OS updates and 7 years of security patches.